there's at least a dozen things I took away that we've got to work on making better in our company and implementing moving forward. You know, I'm a coach, and sad to say I've got some people that didn't make this conference and they want me to try and share this with them. You can't. You can't share this after the fact and have it hit exactly the same way, right?
I come now as often as I can. I want to say I'm doing 4 or 5 conferences a year, sometimes 6. And I'm going to do over 2 million in GCI this year. So I'm happy.
You know, as a coach, I've got 30 minutes to an hour with you once a month. But yet, if you come here, you've got 72 hours of just back-to-back training. You've got to be here.
We've been in the program since 2004. I think I picked up more today than I have ever with the content. I'm literally in awe at how much more we can do.